piece is the Nightingale by Faul-List. He and Chopin were great friends in Vienna, and he was a greater pianist than Chopin, and he was a show-off, and he had lots of girlfriends his whole life, and he could charge anything, any price to perform. And he performed for most of his life, and then suddenly he decided he wanted to become a priest. So he became Faul-List, and he retired from performing. But as a teacher, all the great pianists of his time became his pupils. At the end of this performance, you are going to hear Hechten Dance, Dance of the Witches, by one of his pupils, an American McDowell. This now is the Nightingale. It's quiet, it's very late at night, it's dark, and you hear these little interruptions of the Nightingale. And then a lovely melody. It was a popular song in his days. Mimi Kurze sang it, and almost every soprano liked to sing it because they could sing very high notes and sort of delight the public. So here is Le Rossignol, or the Nightingale, of die Nachtigall.
Sorry, Liszt, when he performed too much, tended to go too fast, and he paid a girl in the audience who at a signal would faint when he thought he was gonna mess it up. So I didn't get paid today, so I'm not fainting for that.